Our Delaware Wolf Trap program is our program for our earliest learners. It's for children ages 6 weeks through 5 years old. They combine a piece of children's literature, their curriculum standards, usually literacy or math, and a performing arts skill.
Wolf Trap is a program that we incorporate into our classrooms, which teaches our teaching staff how to implement the arts into the classroom with the children. The ones who have had it in their classrooms, I see that they are engaging the children more. I see that more children are participating and wanting to participate because they have that experience of how to bring them in.
I was trying to learn new things and new things that I could do to help my children to get them more involved into participating with the program. It actually taught me a new way of doing, not just doing the basics, but taught me a new way of presenting those things, not just with the literacy, but even with the math.
Our goal is overwhelmingly to not only encourage the educators, but also encourage the students and to recognize that an artist resides within each of us. And we are laying a foundation for problem solving and a creative process for every single student that we work with.